Hey guys, Mr. Mackey here. Now yesterday we were going over circles and I was showing you how to find the area of those circles. And the challenge I set you was to figure out how much it would cost me to carpet a room with a diameter of 9 meters. Now to find the area of this we need to halve our diameter. So we halve our 9 meters and our radius becomes 4.5 meters. So now we know the radius, we can work out the area of the whole room. So we do pi times 4.5 squared, and you will get 81 over 4 pi, but I'll need it to 2 decimal places. We will get an area of 63.62 meters squared. Now, when we work it out, we now find out how many sets of carpets we'll need. So we'll divide 63.62 by 7. And we will get 9.08. Now, of course, most people would put you'll need 9 sets of carpets. However, there's 0.08 of that you're just ignoring. So we'll actually need 10 sets of carpets. And if one set is £15, then 10 sets will cost us £150 to recarpet that office. So we're going to focus on circles for one more day, and I have this question. I have a circle here. We don't know the diameter, but I know that the circumference is 17 pi centimetres. How much is the diameter? So to work out the circumference, all you have to do is the diameter multiplied by pi. And because I've left it in terms of pi, I've just done the question for you. 17 times pi. And 17, therefore, is the diameter. What about ones where it's not left in terms of pi? Like this one, where we work out that the circumference is 18.53 centimetres. How do we find the diameter? Well, remember, to find the circumference, all you have to do is you do pi times the diameter, which gets you 18.53. So to find the diameter, you have to divide both sides by pi. So you get your calculator, you type in 18.53 and divide it by pi, and you will get 5.898282191. But I want to do it to 2 decimal places because that answer was to 2 decimal places. So the diameter is 5.90 centimetres. And that's how you find the diameter when you have a circumference. What about this? I have a circle. I know what the area is, 36 pi. How do I find the radius? So let's say this is in meters, just because I forgot. Now, remember, to work out what the area is, you do pi multiplies by whatever our radius is squared. So that's the same as pi being multiplied by 36, and 36 is what our radius is squared. So what squared can get us 36? Well, there's 2 answers, -6 and 6. However, we can't use -6 because we don't have negative measurements. So the only answer we can have for what our radius is 6 meters, not centimeters. I keep doing that today. 6 meters. And that's how you find the radius of an area. What about ones where we don't know what it is in terms of pi? We have it to 2 decimal places. Well, I tend to write the formula out. So I do pi times the radius squared equals 22.13. Then to find out what the radius squared is, I divide both of these terms by pi. So I divide 22.13 by pi. And that will get us 7.04 meters. But that's what the radius squared is. So to work out what the radius is, you have to root that answer. And that will get us to 2 decimal places, 2.65 meters. And that's how we use our area to go backwards to find our radius. So here is your challenge for today. I have a circle. The only thing I know about this circle is that the circumference is 26.7 meters. What's the area of this circle? You'll have to do a bit of working out to find this. I'm intrigued what you've got to do. I want this area to 2 decimal places like the circumference. Well, the circumference is 2 decimal places. Now, I didn't include the 0, but I wanted the 2 decimal places. Good luck. Looking forward to seeing what you've done. And then tomorrow we're going to move on from area and look at something completely different. Take care, guys. Good luck with this. And it's nearly the end of Shapes Week and we're going to move on to a whole new topic. What is that new topic? Stay tuned.